Can you see yourself in the 2017 Chevrolet Traverse? With less than 100,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle provides excellent value. Answer the call for adventure in comfort and style in the bold, spacious Traverse. Its quiet cabin, flexible cargo storage, safety features, connectivity, and all-weather capabilities infuse every drive with confidence. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: keyless entry, heated driver's seat, third row seat, satellite radio, remote engine start, wood grain interior trim, heated mirrors, premium sound system, power liftgate, fog lamps. Stay calm, traverse on. Take a test drive.